If I have established a new smart service process in my mind for an existing problem for the customer, then I would really think about, okay, what is needed to provide this kind of service? And this has something to do with real-time information, sensors, cloud structure, IoT maybe, but on the other side as well, manpower, service-minded people, fast solution, the possibility to really interact or help and to be able to hold timelines or service level agreements or so there is a lot of you have to do after you decide which kind of services you want to provide. And then ideally there's an automated process. Automated process means that you transfer data from A to B and you have some kind of process in place which says, okay, if this is the case, then this is the solution. So an automated process. If you talk about enablers or hardware, I would say there must be some kind of platform, there must be some kind of established processes, there must be some kind of data dump or whatever. And on the other side, you need to have some kind of systems which inform other people to do something. So I would say this is the minimum requirement. On the customer side, you have to have some kind of sensors or whatever which tell you that something is happening. If you go one step further, if you go into predictive maintenance, it would be ideal to have things under service so they do not get broken anymore. So you can use them all the time and you can maybe fix something in a time slot where it's not been used, because you know it will get broken in the next, I don't know, 3 months or something, because you have indicators. I think that only would change maybe the amount of sensors and the knowledge, the smartness behind those sensors. What happens if something is getting hotter than normal or there's more vibration or whatever. And then I have good processes behind it, because at the end it's not hardware, it's ideal processes. And the hardware, whatever sensors, is only an enabler to do something for a customer. And always there are people involved to somehow add this kind of information into the company, and there must be processes in place which do something with this information, because information is totally nice and always they are saying data is the new oil and stuff like that, but that's only the half of the truth, because data is fine, but what you do with this kind of information, that is the key. So as a company, you have to find out what kind of information do you need and what do we do with this information. If you only collect information, it won't be beneficial.